Max, your birthday fun continues all week. Every day has a special adventure and a good habit.
Wow! Let's go!
It's Monday! What do we do every morning?
Brush my teeth! I love it!
Monday is a fun day. Tuesday! Before we eat, what should we do?
Wash our hands!
Tuesday, 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 clean hands today.
Look, Mom! A baby dinosaur! Roar!
A friendly little roar. Wednesday is tidy up day.
Pick it up and put it away. All clean! Now we can play! Great job, Max!
Great job, Max! Thursday is a day to be kind and share.
Sharing makes friends happy. Be kind, Max. Now let's have some magic fun. Abracadabra! Wow!
Look at this ripe apple.
Mom, look! The ice cream truck!
Here you go, sweetheart.
This is the best day!
You have ice cream on your nose.
Wow! It is finally Saturday! Let's stretch super high! Now let's touch our toes! Good job! Let's jump! Look at the train, Mommy!
All aboard, everyone!
Let's find a cozy seat. Bye-bye!
You're doing a wonderful job, sweetie.
I want everything to be perfect.
I'll get the cake. Happy birthday, Max!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too. Thursday, Friday, just for you. Saturday, Sunday, hip hooray! 7 days we learned today! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.